All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at MATIC. All right, this is the Polygon. All right. So what I have here is I got the Fibonacci's drawn up, okay, from the swing lows to the swing highs. And if you notice, we bounced in the golden pocket. Okay, the golden pocket is the 0.618 to 0.65 on the Fibonacci's. And I want to show you guys that we came down right into it and bounced perfectly off the golden pocket. Okay. Um, that was previously. All right. And so now I'm going to drag it forward. Okay. Because what you want to see and what investors love to see. Okay. And crypto is mostly run by bots and traded by bots, whether you agree with me or not. So, they use the Fibonacci's a lot. We have our swing low, we have our swing high, and we came down into the golden pocket and we recovered nicely. Okay. So now that recovery in the golden pocket is going to be our low, our swing low. Okay. So we got our swing low right here, and this is going to be our new area. Okay. So if you watch my previous video on the Fibonacci's and how to use them, I'll put that, that'll be right up here in the right hand corner. Okay. Right now you can click on that video if you want to learn how to use the Fibonacci's. But basically what's going on is if we bounce right here, we have what's known as a strong trend, a strong uptrend. If we bounce right here at 2.010, we have a what's called a normal uptrend. Okay. And then if we bounce at 0.618 on the fibs, which is going to be 1.876 a token, that's what's going to be known as a weak uptrend. Okay. So currently, we broke support at our strong trend line support level. Okay, which was 2.145. We broke through that. We fell below it, and then we opened, and now we're trying to close above it. Okay. So what I honestly think can happen is I'll show you guys. I'll go ahead and draw it out real quick. Is I think that we either do something like this. Okay. So it's currently right here, and we come up, come close to resistance, and then come back down and bounce off of here. All right, and then go forward. That would give us a normal uptrend signal. Okay, that hey, this is a regularly balanced uptrend. Okay, it's going up very high, and then it's pulling back very healthily, and this is just a normal uptrend. Okay, now if we recover, okay, and we're going above it, and then we bounce off of here, and then go higher, then we're going to have indication that we have a strong uptrend. Okay. So, hey, it fell below, but then it bounced right at the strong trend line support level, which is at 2.145. All right. So right now, that's what the level that you want to be looking at is. You want to be looking at 2.145 on the fibs, or I'm sorry, on the price action. Okay. If we can maintain that as a support level, then we will know that we are in a strong uptrend and we can maintain a bullish outlook. Okay. If we fall below that, our support level for a normal uptrend is going to be 2.010. And then the golden pocket is going to be from 1.876 to 1.839. So this is where you're going to want like a prime entry, okay, for a long position. All right, is right in there in the golden pocket. All right. We may not hit the golden pocket. Okay. We may recover before that. And if we do hit the golden pocket, there is always a possibility it can reverse and continue a downtrend and make a downtrend. All right. So it's never a guarantee. It's not financial advice to, hey, buy the golden pocket and you're going to be rich. But I'm giving you guys the key levels that the bots are going to be looking at and that other traders are looking at. Okay. Because Fibonacci is one of the most commonly used things on crypto, and people really, really love to use it on crypto. So, just keep that in mind. All right. So, 2.145, we need to keep that as a support level. As long as we keep that as support, we're going to be in a strong bullish uptrend. If we break that support level, we need to find support at 2.010. That will give us signs that we are in a normal uptrend. Okay. And if we bounce off of 1.876, then that is going to be signs of a weak uptrend. And if you land in between the golden pocket, which is going to be below 1.876 to 1.839, then typically for long-term investors, this is a great buy and hold position. Okay. So, if you buy here in between 1.876 and 1.839, you don't need to be scared of, of selling, basically, if you fall lower. Okay, we could dip lower all the way down to 141 and start a reversal trend. But in general terms and layman speaking, okay, it's known as a good long-term investment. All right, if you look here at previously, okay, I'll go back to the previously. All right, so here's our swing low, here's our swing high. And we tried to find support here at the 0.382 level to indicate a strong uptrend. They didn't find support. It kept battling it as resistance. Okay, kept finding resistance there until it further dropped down right into the center of the golden pocket. And then from the golden pocket, we created a new uptrend and a new swing low and a new swing high. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful to you guys. And if you have any crypto currency pairs that you would like me to look at, or also any stocks you would like me to look at, just let me know in the comments below. um, you know I'll be happy to make a video for you guys on it, whether it's a technical analysis or a deep dive. Just let me know what you want from me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to provide that content for you. Okay, so with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where you gain access to all of my entries and exits, as well as the other admin members' entries and exits, and all of the valuable resources in there, our intraday thought process on the market, etc. You can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. All right. So link to join in the description. Thank you.